Hello guys, welcome back guys in another video. In this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to activate push to talk on Discord. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to do that. So first thing you should to do guys, please go and down here you can see the button is settings button or icon of settings, user settings. So you're gonna click here, then guys go directly to the voice and video. So here you can find all the settings what we need about the sound and the microphone. So here you can see two choice, voice activity and push to talk. So of course in default you can find here selection and voice activity. So you're gonna push or click just here, then you have the right here to click, and you can use anything in keybind, like you can use anything on your keyboard, any button to activate push talk when you talk. Like for me, I'm using the button on my mouse when I was talking. So just click here and click on the button on keyboard or on mouse to activate push to talk, and then congratulations, you are activate push to talk on your Discord client. So now you can talk with your friends without any problems on your microphone activity sound. You can push to talk when you want. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like the video and subscribe on my channel. See you in another video.